Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can easily connect Asana with Github. This is like an easy and short tutorial. So what you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the link. Then you are gonna come across to this page, Make. And Make is a powerful integration platform that would allow you to connect different apps without having to write a single line of code. Make integrates with over 1000 apps and services. Two of those apps are GitHub and Asana, and you get also the free accounts that you can test it out by yourself. Okay, so after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Make. It's easy as just filling these forms, or you can also sign up using Google accounts, Facebook accounts, GitHub accounts. And after that, this is your dashboard. Now you want to click this create new scenario button right here on the top right, and here you are. Click the plus symbol and just search for the apps that you want to connect. Let's say Asana, or you want to add GitHub first. That's completely up to you. And as you can see, each application usually has different kinds of models inside of it, because you can do different things with those applications. Watch comments, watch forks, watch guests, watch issues. So you choose which one you want. I'm going to go with watch comments. So this is triggers when a new comment is created. So this is also specified down here what kind of model is. Then you need to connect it with your account here. So the maximum number of returned comments is 1. I'm going to 2 or 1. Then okay, after connecting with your account, then you need to click this plus icon here and search for Asana. I'm going to add Asana here, and let's say you want to get a task, create a task or a subtask, update a task, delete a task. So you choose which one you want here. I'm going to go with create a project. Then you need to connect this with your accounts here, and on the bottom left you can easily run it once and test it out. On the bottom you can save it. Over here you'll find templates. I find this a really cool place to get some inspiration of what is possible. For example, over here I could search by an app. I could say, okay, give me all the templates that contain GitHub module. Down here you see all kinds of things that are possible. You can use them as they are or customize them to suit your needs. Other than that, you can just click help, contact support. Then you can contact the Make customer support with technical issue scenario, and you could paste the URL of your scenario if you need any help from them. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out, and bye bye.